Space exploration, it's a human endeavor, a grand adventure, and now it's open for everyone. This is the message of Polaris Dawn. This mission made history. It achieved the first ever private spacewalk. Imagine floating freely in the vastness of space. This is what the Polaris Dawn crew experienced. It's a testament to human ingenuity and courage. The mission pushed the boundaries of private spaceflight. Polaris Dawn also marked a turning point. It showed that space is no longer exclusive. It's not just for governments and astronauts. Now private citizens can contribute to space exploration. This opens up a universe of possibilities. The Polaris Dawn mission captured our imaginations. It reminded us of the power of human ambition. This is just the beginning. We are entering a new era of space exploration, an era where the sky is not the limit, because there is no limit. Leading the Polaris Dawn mission was Jared Isaacman, a billionaire entrepreneur and accomplished pilot. Isaacman financed the mission. He also served as its commander. His vision and determination made Polaris Dawn possible. Joining Isaacman was Scott Poteet, a retired United States Air Force lieutenant colonel. Poteet served as the mission pilot. His extensive flight experience was invaluable. He ensured a smooth and successful mission. The crew also included 2 mission specialists, Sarah Gillis and Anna Menon. Both women are highly skilled engineers at SpaceX. Gillis was responsible for the spacecraft's systems. Menon oversaw the mission's scientific experiments. Together, these 4 individuals formed the Polaris Dawn crew. They were a team of pioneers. Their courage and expertise inspired the world. They proved that anyone can reach for the stars. The Polaris Dawn mission launched on insert date here. The Falcon 9 rocket roared into the sky. It carried the Dragon spacecraft and its precious cargo. Excitement filled the air. Millions watched the launch online and in person. The launch was flawless. The Dragon spacecraft separated from the Falcon 9. It entered Earth's orbit. The crew was one step closer to their historic spacewalk. The mission was off to a fantastic start. Polaris Dawn reached an altitude of insert altitude here. This set a new record for a private human spaceflight mission. The crew was farther from Earth than any private citizen before them. They were breaking boundaries and making history. From their unique vantage point, the crew marveled at the beauty of Earth. They shared stunning images and videos. These glimpses of our planet from space captivated the world. They reminded us of the fragility and interconnectedness of life on Earth. The highlight of the Polaris Dawn mission was the spacewalk. It was the first of its kind. A private citizen would step outside a spacecraft and into the vacuum of space. This was a moment of immense anticipation and excitement. The spacewalk was meticulously planned. The crew trained for months. They practiced every step in a neutral buoyancy tank. This simulated the weightlessness of space. Safety was paramount. The moment arrived. The crew donned their newly designed SpaceX spacesuits. These suits provided mobility and protection. They were equipped with advanced technology. The astronauts were ready for their historic endeavor. Section 5. Suited for Space Polaris Dawn's technological marvels. The EVA suits worn by the Polaris Dawn crew were a marvel of engineering. They were specifically designed for the mission. SpaceX developed these suits with comfort and mobility in mind. These suits were lighter and more flexible than previous suits. The suits featured touchscreen-compatible gloves, allowing the astronauts to interact with their instruments. The helmets provided a wider field of view, enhancing their spatial awareness during the spacewalk. Another key piece of technology was the Dragon spacecraft itself. This reusable spacecraft transported the crew to and from space. Its advanced life support systems ensured the crew's safety and comfort throughout the mission. Polaris Dawn showcased the rapid advancements in space technology. These advancements are making space more accessible and safer for humans. They are paving the way for future exploration. Section 6. Science in Microgravity, Unlocking New Discoveries. Polaris. Dawn wasn't just about breaking records and pushing boundaries. It was also a science mission. The crew conducted a series of experiments in microgravity. These experiments covered various fields, ranging from human health to materials science. One experiment studied the effects of space radiation on the human body. This is crucial information for future long-duration spaceflights. Another experiment looked at how fluids behave in microgravity. This research could lead to new technologies. The crew also collected data on Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field. This data will help scientists better understand our planet. The Polaris Dawn mission demonstrated that private spaceflight can contribute significantly to scientific research. The experiments conducted during Polaris Dawn are essential. They provide valuable insights. These insights can help us understand our planet and ourselves better. They also pave the way for future scientific discoveries. Section 7. The Road to Mars and Beyond. Polaris Dawn's Legacy. The Polaris Dawn mission is a stepping stone. It's part of a larger vision. This vision is to make humans a multiplanetary species. It's about pushing the boundaries of space exploration. It's about reaching for new horizons. The technologies developed for Polaris Dawn will have lasting implications. The new spacesuits, the advancements in spacecraft technology, and the experience gained from the mission will all contribute to future missions. They will bring us closer to Mars and beyond. "This is just the beginning," said Isaac Mann after the mission. "We are committed to advancing human spaceflight capabilities. We are excited about the future of space exploration. Polaris Dawn has ignited our collective imagination. It has shown us what's possible when we dare to dream big. It is a testament to the power of human ambition and a beacon of hope for the future of space exploration." Section 8. Inspiring a new generation of explorers. Polaris. Dawn was more than just a space mission. It was an inspiration. Millions around the world followed the crew's journey. They were captivated by the historic spacewalk. They were amazed by the science. The mission showed that space is no longer out of reach. It is a place for exploration and discovery. It is a place where we can push the boundaries of human potential. Polaris Dawn ignited a passion for space in a new generation. The crew of Polaris Dawn shared their experiences with the world. They spoke to students. They participated in public events. Their message was clear. If we can do it, so can you. Polaris Dawn is a testament to the power of human ingenuity, courage, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It is a story that will continue to inspire generations to come. It is a reminder that the future of space exploration is bright, and it is up to all of us to write the next chapter.